This is the elevator at the Blind and Visual Rehabilitation Services in Monroe, Pennsylvania. It's an old armor, two-story hospital size cab. It's pretty dark in here.
Second floor, going down.
Looks like you can't go to, oh, here, you can go to one. Key switch, GAL, here you go down. Oh, that's weird, it's like this weird light thing. Is there an indicator? Yeah, there's an indicator. Here, one. Oh, it's a little dark. I don't know which side it opens on.
First floor.
3. Here you go up. I think only this indicator works. Here, 3.
Third floor, going down.
Back on 288 phone directory. It's a basic hospital side laminate cabinet. It's an old Marshall with armor. I've never seen that before. That's very interesting. Like one, it also talks, which that's probably because this is a blind vision center, so that makes sense.
Second floor.
Never heard that voice before. They're close, and that's gonna be it.